Great, hopefully you made it to this screen here. We're going to do a little geocaching. I know it's kind of new for some of you. Maybe some of you have done other geocaching like this. So the very first thing you'll notice that there are going to be a couple problems on the page. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to answer all of the problems that they're asking you to. You're going to have to do this on a sheet of paper or use the worksheet that I attached to the slides for today. But first, so we're going to go through answer number 1, okay? And it wants us to find the sides of the 2 indicated angles. Okay, so now since these angles, they are a linear pair, that means they added together, they're going to equal 180. So I'm going to set up an algebraic equation. Okay, 3x plus 40 plus 2x minus 10 equals 180. Okay, and after I solve that, okay, I get an answer for x, and then I use that answer to help me find the 2 indicated angles. So for this angle up here, I ended up with 130, and this angle down here, I got 50. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you write this down. Then for number 2, okay, it's telling us that BD is a bisector of this ABC angle. So that means this angle and this angle are equal, right? Because bisector means it splits it into 2 equal parts. So you're gonna set them equal to each other, and then you're going to solve. Okay, for x, I ended up getting 4. So double check your work with my answer to make sure you got 4. Then for number 3 here, we have 2 straight lines that cross. That means we have vertical angle 89 and vertical angle 4x plus 5, and we know those to be equal. And I end up getting 21 for x. Okay, so now that we have our 4 answers, we have 130, 50, we got 4, and we got 21. Okay, then we want to read this carefully. It's going to be different each time, so you really want to make sure you're reading and understanding what it's asking. It says find the product, so product means multiply, of your 4 answers for the problems 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm going to take 130 times 50 times 4 times 21. Right, and I get an answer of 546,000. Okay, so with that, you're going to take and copy this link here, and you are going to paste it into a tab. And then you are going to delete the space. Notice I'm leaving everything else, even the dot. And I'm going to type in 546,000. And then I'm going to press enter, and it should bring me to the next box. Okay, and if you do happen to make a mistake, so let's say we make a mistake and we type in, we get the wrong answer, okay, it will give you this error here, okay, and it'll tell you you did something wrong and you need to go back and check your work. Okay, so then from here, okay, number 2, you're going to follow the directions. It's asking you to find all these different measures here, and then it's asking you to find the sum. So you're going to add all of your 8 answers that you got above, and then they want you to multiply that sum by 180. And then that's what you would replace in this line to bring you to box 3. Okay, and again, if you get something wrong, it will tell you and you want to go back and check your work.